Hello and welcome. I am Brenda. My blog is sugarfreemom.com, and I am here to show you some delicious keto recipes the whole family will love. Today we are making my ham and cheese quiche. I've made this version without a crust, but you can certainly use any low carb or keto pie crust that you love. I have a savory or sweet coconut flour pie crust recipe on my blog, sugarfreemom.com. It adds a few more carbs, but it is tasty. This one is much lower in carbs without a crust. Either way, totally delicious. My whole family loves it. Cheesy, ham, and very quick to make. Let me show you how to do it.
Start by greasing your 9-inch pie dish. If you're not using a crust, we're adding some grated Parmesan and placing it on a large baking sheet pan. Adding your chopped ham and whisk some eggs together. Mix in heavy cream, shredded mozzarella, salt, and pepper. Whisk this together, and then we're going to pour it over the ham in the pie dish. I like to add my fork in there to just get the cheese all around, and then place dollops of mascarpone or cream cheese and bake at 350 degrees for about an hour or until the center is still jiggly but set. I like fresh chopped parsley on top. This is without a crust, so it's only 2 total carbs per serving. You can certainly add a crust if you prefer. You can check this recipe out at sugarfreemom.com.